Hey, hi guys, this is Arpita Tulsyan here. So this video is made on request of so many students that ma'am, we have got your earlier editions of law, 10th edition, 11th edition, 12th edition and so on of law, and now we want to appear for the SPOM exams or the IBS exam. So what additionally should we do? Should we continue using the same book or should we go with the new book, etc.? So to clarify all these doubts, this particular video is for you all. Okay, so I'll just start with 13th edition first. The 13th edition book which we have launched just now. If you are such a student who has purchased the 13th edition book recently released, then this video is not for you, because this book contains each and everything. Okay, all the amendments, everything is included in this particular book. Okay, so this video is not for you. Going backwards, okay, next edition, that is if you're having 12th edition, means if you had purchased it in the last 6 months, 12th edition book if you have, then there is a one small amendment in IBC. Okay, one table amendment is there in IBC, that too in one particular regulation. You just have to refer that much, nothing more. Okay, otherwise everything else is included in your 12th edition book, and that small amendment, okay, for that I have provided the link in this particular description, or alternatively you can download it from our website free note section, or you can download it from my Telegram channel. Okay, so the notes are available there. One small thing is there which can be downloaded accordingly. Now going on to the previous one, that is the 11th edition book. Okay, now if you're having 11th edition book, then there are going to be few plus minus things that you have to do. Just listen carefully, and if you want, just note it down, or else I'll be again putting it in the description also and in the Telegram also, so don't worry about that. Okay, 11th edition, I'll start with company law. Okay, first of all, I'll tell you the deletion, the thing that you don't have to do. One is your foreign companies, that is company incorporated outside India, that chapter has been removed. वो नहीं करना. Okay, next, if you recollect, there was a chapter called as corporate secretarial practice. Notice ka format and all those things were there. That is not to be done. So two chapters, foreign companies and corporate secretarial practice is not to be done. Okay, you can simply delete it. Now, edition point of view, there is a chapter added called as e-filing. Okay, a procedural chapter containing forms, fees, etc. that has been added in your SPOM syllabus. So, the ICI notes link I have provided here in the description. Okay, so two deletions, one was your foreign companies, second one was your corporate secretarial practice. These two are to be deleted, and one addition is there, that is your e-filing. Very clear with this? With company law. Okay, now going on to the economic laws part. Okay, now in economic laws, just be careful. Okay, in economic laws, PMLA chapter, money laundering chapter is removed. Arbitration and Conciliation Act is removed. Okay, so two deletions, PMLA gone, arbitration and conciliation gone for the purpose of SPOM. Okay, now addition. Okay, in addition, in SEBI, okay, in SEBI, securities law now I am talking about. In SEBI, earlier we had the SEBI Act and the SEBI LODR regulations. This we already studied, right? Now in this they have added 3 more regulations. Okay, one is your ICDR, second one is insider trading regulations, and the next one is substantial acquisition takeover and all those things. These 3 regulations they have added in securities law. Okay, so for these 3 regulations, that is the addition in SEBI, for this again I have provided the notes in the description. Very clear with this? And in IBC chapter, one table amendment is there, that also I have provided here in the description, that is to be done additionally. Okay, if you want, I'll repeat it. For economic laws, okay, PMLA, arbitration gone. Okay, in securities law, in SEBI, those 3 regulations added, and for IBC, one small table of amendment is to be done. Are you understanding this? Yes, so this is what you are required to do if you are having the 11th edition for your company law as well as for your securities law. I hope I am very clear with this now, right? And if there are any students who are having their 10th edition, okay, then in that case I would suggest, okay, I would suggest that please go with the new edition book, because if you had your 10th edition book, in that in FEMA also you had the old ODI regulations and all those things, and apart from that the other editions which I just told you. So if you're having 10th edition or earlier, then I would advise you, okay, I would advise you to go with the new edition, that is the 13th edition. So this is how you can either decide to manage with the same book, or if you feel that ma'am, why to do so much of plus minus etc., if you if it is possible for you, then you can go with the new edition. Okay, so this is all about the plus minus things which is to be required to be done by you all if you are having any of the older editions. Okay, this is about the books. Now if there are any students who need to understand the concepts, who has never studied law earlier, then for them we have got the fast track lectures available. Okay, fast track lectures are same as that of your law which was there when we had our paper 4 law. Same lectures are there, but those are amended lectures. Okay, means amendments have been provided in those lectures. So if you feel that you need conceptual clarity, then you can go with those fast track lectures. That is roughly around 55 hours. Okay, in which your majority of the chapters gets covered in those video lectures. Okay, and whatever I told you now, okay, whatever I told you, who is supposed to do what, plus minus and everything, I have provided here in the description also, so that you can refer it later also. Plus the notes of this is available on our website. Pe there is a section called as free notes. You can go there, click there, and you will find these editions which I have told you. If not possible, then you can go to my Telegram channel, see Arpita Tulsyan. There you will find these editions in the notes. Okay, so everything is available, and still if you have any clarification, then you can just WhatsApp me on my number that you already know, 9167 082 081. You can WhatsApp on that number and I will help you. Don't worry about the same. Yes, I hope all these things are clear for you, and please share this video with every such student you know who has used my books earlier for law. Yes, I hope I was able to clarify all your doubts, and I wish you all the very best for your exams.